Top 4 best butters that support liver health and help reduce fatty liver naturally. After the age of 50, many people are surprised to learn that fatty liver can develop silently, even in people who don't drink alcohol. Slower metabolism, rising blood sugar levels, and years of processed foods can gradually cause fat to accumulate inside the liver. But the good news is that the liver is remarkably resilient. When the body receives the right nutrition and lifestyle support, the liver has a strong ability to repair and rebalance itself. Many people believe the solution is expensive detox drinks or supplements. In reality, the liver already has a powerful detox system. What it truly needs is the right daily habits and foods that reduce metabolic stress. Some natural butters made from nuts and healthy fats contain nutrients that may help support the liver's ability to process fats more efficiently and reduce inflammation. Today we'll explore 4 natural butters that may help support liver health and reduce fatty liver risk when included in a balanced diet after 50. Why liver health changes after 50? The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It performs hundreds of essential functions that keep the body balanced and functioning properly. One of its main jobs is detoxification. The liver filters toxins from the bloodstream, breaks down medications and chemicals, and converts waste into forms that can safely leave the body. The liver also plays a major role in metabolism. It processes dietary fats, regulates blood sugar levels, stores vitamins and minerals, and produces bile. Bile allows the body to digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. However, after the age of 50, several natural changes occur in the body. Metabolism gradually slows, insulin sensitivity may decline, and the body may become more prone to storing excess fat. These changes make the liver more vulnerable to fat accumulation, especially when diets are high in refined sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy oils. Over time, this can lead to fatty liver disease, a condition in which fat builds up inside liver cells and interferes with normal liver function. One of the most effective strategies for protecting the liver is replacing unhealthy fats with healthier ones. Research shows that when people substitute processed fats and trans fats with natural unsaturated fats, liver fat levels may decrease even when overall calorie intake remains similar. Certain natural butters contain healthy fatty acids, antioxidants, and nutrients that may help support this process when consumed in moderate amounts. 1. Grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter contains small amounts of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid associated with gut health and reduced inflammation. However, it is important to understand that most butyrate in the body is actually produced when gut bacteria break down dietary fiber. For this reason, butter itself should not be viewed as a liver superfood. Instead, high-quality grass-fed butter can be considered a better alternative to processed margarines and artificial spreads that contain trans fats and chemical additives. When used in small amounts, grass-fed butter provides fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin K2, which support immune and metabolic health. Simple ways to use it. Use a small amount of grass-fed butter when cooking vegetables or spread a thin layer on whole grain toast. Combining it with fiber-rich foods helps support the gut bacteria that naturally produce beneficial compounds like butyrate. 2. Almond butter. Almond butter is one of the most beneficial nut butters for metabolic health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Oxidative stress plays an important role in the development of fatty liver. Vitamin E helps protect liver cells from damage caused by inflammation and metabolic imbalance. Almond butter also provides magnesium and fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar becomes especially important after 50 because insulin resistance can increase with age and contribute to fat accumulation in the liver. Simple ways to use it. Spread almond butter on apple slices, mix it into oatmeal, or add a spoonful to smoothies. Choose natural almond butter with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. 3. Natural peanut butter. Peanut butter can support liver health when consumed in its natural form. It provides plant protein, healthy fats, and nutrients that help maintain stable energy levels. Balanced blood sugar is essential for preventing fat buildup in the liver. The combination of protein and healthy fats in peanut butter slows digestion and helps reduce blood sugar spikes. However, Many commercial peanut butters contain added sugar, palm oil, and hydrogenated oils. These ingredients can increase metabolic stress and contribute to liver fat accumulation. Important tip: choose peanut butter that contains only peanuts and possibly a small amount of salt. Natural peanut butter usually has a thin layer of oil on top that needs to be stirred. This is actually a sign that the product has not been heavily processed. Simple ways to use it: spread natural peanut butter on whole grain bread, pair it with banana slices, or blend it into smoothies for a satisfying snack. 4. Walnut butter. Walnut butter stands out because walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improve the body's ability to process fats more efficiently. Walnuts also contain antioxidants that help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Simple ways to use it: walnut butter can be spread on toast, mixed into yogurt, or added to oatmeal. Its slightly earthy flavor pairs well with fruit. Portion awareness after 50. Although these foods provide beneficial nutrients, nut butters and fats are calorie-dense. After the age of 50, calorie needs often decrease as metabolism slows. A small serving, about 1 tablespoon, is usually enough to gain nutritional benefits without adding excess calories. Moderation allows the liver to benefit from healthy fats without increasing metabolic strain. The substitution rule. One of the most effective strategies for improving liver health is replacing unhealthy fats with healthier ones. Research shows that when people replace processed fats such as trans fats, refined palm oil, or hydrogenated oils with natural unsaturated fats from nuts and seeds, liver fat levels may decrease even without major calorie reduction. This means these butters should not simply be added to an unhealthy diet. Instead, they should replace less healthy fats in everyday meals. The liver has a remarkable ability to repair itself when metabolic stress is reduced. Instead of relying on extreme detox methods, focusing on balanced nutrition and healthier fat choices can make a meaningful difference. Natural nut butters such as almond butter and walnut butter provide antioxidants and beneficial fatty acids that support metabolic health. When used in moderation and combined with a diet rich in vegetables, fiber, and whole foods, they can help support liver function over time. For people over 50, small daily choices such as improving fat quality, maintaining stable blood sugar, and staying physically active can significantly improve long-term liver health. Consistent habits often produce the greatest improvements.